Hi guys, sorry I did not put an intro on this, but because I'm on computer, because of Bloxburg, because I don't know how to build on mobile on Bloxburg, so yeah. So today I will be building, God! Let me chill down, let me be calm. And there's Christmas things! Oh my god! I already added these up now, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna have to delete all these trees, actually. You know what? I'm thinking... Yeah, I'm gonna delete these trees. It's just like, yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna delete these trees. Okay, you have to be very careful. Don't need to... No. Very careful. I don't delete anything else but the trees. Be very careful. Careful. Okay, there. So... It's like, sorry, no, you cannot see my tree. I'm like, you cannot see my house. I'm sorry, no. But, oh, actually, I want to have to pay for all those Christmas trees. So I'm gonna go back. So put back on my trees. It makes the trees white. Okay. Okay, the color will be white. I might not have time to do that when I'm done because, like, school, you know. I just found out the Christmas update was here, and then I was like, oh my god, I have to get a video of me, adding the Christmas update, because then I'll just, like, leave you guys left alone, because you guys probably do not know about the Christmas update, oh my god. Okay, so, yeah, so basically, yeah, we're gonna just be painting my house. Well, building my house, not painting, why would you? Oh my god. Sorry, I had to just say, oh my god, I just had to put this here. I just had to, sorry, I had to. Okay, so now let's open this. Yes, I had decorated a little bit on mobile, but it was kind of hard. See, this elf I didn't mean to put the elf there, so. Don't. Okay, this thing keep on putting this up, so I'm sorry. This mini grid. I'm gonna have it right here. Super cute! Okay, stop. Okay, so, like, when you're in build mode, it keeps on having that thing. Okay. Hold on. Okay, guys, so here we are in my little tiny house. Okay, so I am going to get the main Christmas tree that I'm gonna have. I want to put the main, this is just a decoration tree. I have to actually have a living room, but I don't have a living room, so I maybe should put it down here. Just like, the living room should be in here, then the Christmas tree should be in here. And I'm going to have this Christmas tree all year because I don't care. Period. I'm going to have this Christmas tree all year, so, I don't care. Even if you guys, all of y'all guys, just put away your Christmas tree, I'm going to keep mine and say, in your faces. Because then I'll have it all year long because I love Christmas trees and it's just beautiful. But sorry for if you guys don't celebrate Christmas, but you know, I just like Christmas trees. Tables. Roblox is acting. Why did I write tables? Tables. I meant TVs. TV. It's in the name. It's in the. Oh my god, this thing is acting super duper super slow. The typing thing is acting super slow. TV, so I'm gonna have this TV down here. Yes, I'm gonna decorate because now who would have, okay, okay, and then I'm just gonna keep putting it there, and then, yeah, that's all. Okay, so guys, yeah, but now that's not all of the video. I still have more to decorate. If you guys thought it was more, that's all for the video, because like it wasn't really actually. So I'm gonna have like it like pastel-y, so it's like a pastel-y trip road. So it won't look so like there. It looks super pretty. Okay, I'm going to have that on all of the trees. Okay, I have to bring these Christmas trees in some places because like it looks too beautiful to not be anywhere. I mean, see, this is what happens when I'm just in love with Christmas, because this is actually my first time decorating for Christmas in Bloxburg. So it's just like super cool, and yeah. So let's decorate the living room with our new Christmas items. So I'm gonna put this here, here, here. All of these for my little Roblox babies. Okay. We're gonna have some. Sorry. We're gonna have this Christmas present. Okay. This Christmas present. Okay. This Christmas present. Okay. See, now look. Look at me. Look at me. This is what Christmas do to my brain. I love Christmas. Look how much I'm adding. That's how much I love Christmas. Okay. And I'm going to keep this all year long just to let you guys know it again. 'Cause it's just beautiful. Okay, now we're going to decorate. Okay, we're going to decorate outside now. So, outside. Yes, I did say it again, outside. Okay, I'm about to actually add another Christmas tree, so I'm gonna add another Christmas tree so you guys don't yell at me because I'm a Christmas tree lover, so don't yell, please. Thank you. Okay. There. Okay, so I guess gonna put some Christmas trees down there and some out here. There. We're gonna put one right here, right above there, and voila! Look how beautiful that is. I'm about to put this out here. Okay, this thing right here, and road. Okay, I'm about to put it not on all grid, so I can just turn it around. There, then now I'll put it back on. Fully gridded. Okay, that's actually sounds weird saying gridded. Okay, a bucket of snowballs, because then I want to have a snow fight whenever I want. Holiday. Okay. I don't know what to add, so that's why I keep on saying, Okay. Oh, we can add Chris Santa here. Little Santa there. And a little snowman here, just to be fully. We can add a little man here and man there. Okay. I really actually think that should be it. Because what else could I add? Well, let's get into the coloring part. So let's color these different colors. Yellow. Okay, I actually like that. So let's just change that. Okay, Santa will turn into the white Santa Claus. I'm just kidding. No, pink Santa Claus. No. I think he's better off where he was. The snowman. Oh my god, let's change the snowman. Okay, no, that needs to stay the same. But the rest can change because Santa Claus is coming to town. Okay, so then we're gonna put this here. To town. Oh my god, no, oh my god. Okay, no. Okay, so we're gonna change it to this. Oh, this looks super cute. Oh, my god, this had to be here. All around the window. Okay, this has to be. I'll do more decorating soon, but I have school soon, but not yet. Okay, get this there and this there. This down here and this down here. This down here and this down here. This down here and this down here. Okay. Yep. There we go. Okay, we put this in the middle of here. This actually looks festive. Festivity. Tell me down in the comments what you would do when the Christmas update is gone. Would you keep it or leave it? Well, that's all for this week's video. I hope you liked it. Hit that smash bell. Hi guys. What? Well, I hope you like it. If you did, smash that like button and I'll see you next time. Bye!